my first truck when I was 3. Drove 100,000 miles on my knees.
Okay guys, got the dually in the shop today. Gonna be doing some new tailgate hinges, I guess you'd call these. I got these on eBay. They didn't come black, they came like a silver color. I just painted them gloss black quick so they wouldn't stand out. But my hinges are not in good shape. The tailgate really ain't fitting that good anymore because I think maybe this side might be the wore out side. But it's time for new hinges on the tailgate. So that's what's gonna happen tonight. Okay, so just wanted to get a shot before I got this thing off. You can see, I mean, it's this here is almost gone. So this is the side that was bad. The other side ain't too bad. I'm gonna do both sides at once, get it done. And it looks like I probably should have picked up a cable while I was at it too, but I'm gonna get this tailgate off. You just unhook your cables and then you got to lift it up and find the notch right here. Find the little open notch and the tailgate lifts off. Okay, so again, quick shot of that side. You can see it's rotted and gone. So we've got 2 bolts, top and bottom, that need to come out. Same with this side. This side ain't nearly as bad, but 2 bolts here. It comes out. Tailgate side, you got 2 bolts here, 1 here, 1 there, and again 1 there and 1 there. So I'm going to get these out, get to replacing them. Okay guys, pretty straightforward. Bolted the new ones on. Bolted the new one on. Bolted the new one on. The only issue I really had was you can see I got a new bolt on the bottom there, and that is because it was pretty corroded. You can see the bolts corroded there pretty good. And another thing I would suggest maybe is if you have a super rusty truck, you might want to remove the headlights there and spray the back of the bolts with blast or a day or so before you start to do this, and maybe even remove the hinges here and get some blaster on these bolts too. I mean, if your truck is rusty, you know, if you strip out these bolts or snap one off, it's going to be a lot more work to do this job. But this thing's ready to go back in. That feels so nice, guys. Oh, that feels nice. Feels like a new tailgate now. So there it is, guys. New tailgate hinges. And that tailgate works like butter now. You know, when you struggle so long with a cruddy part like this tailgate, I mean, you can see how nice it fits now. When you struggle with something like this so long, you don't realize how much you're struggling. But the tailgate moves like butter now. Real simple install, guys. But anyway, that's the end of it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.
Yeah, there's something women like about a pickup man.